Hey, what's going on, everybody? On YouTube, Steve here, Raiken Profit. Had a couple minutes to kill before my appointment over here at my acupuncturist. Anyways, got something from Goodwill, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I want to share with you what I found, what I paid, and just make a quick, short, sweet, simple video of a specific tag that I love to pick up when it comes to Ralph Lauren Polo. Ralph Lauren Polo, they have a lot of various tags. There's Ralph Lauren Polo, the blue ones, the purple ones, there's green, there's black, there's vintage Polo Sport. There's a lot of various types of Ralph Lauren Polo out there, but I want to share with you one specific one that I found that probably, this item probably has an estimated resale of $30 to $60, just depending upon how long I want to wait and whatnot. But I want to share with you guys this quick tip clothing video. Ralph Lauren Polo, one of my favorite tags to buy and sell. If you're in the clothing game, if you're brand new, if you're rocking and rolling, you got to be on the lookout for this. So quick tip video, guys, be on the lookout for this tag right here. This is the Ralph Lauren purple label. You'll see Ralph Lauren. There'll be actually, it's not even a Ralph Lauren Polo, it's just a Ralph Lauren, so I might have to switch up that title. But this is the purple label. You'll see Ralph Lauren written in cursive. Now there is a little red stripe going across it, which Goodwill just loves to do to let everybody know that it's a boutique item. Thank you so much for writing on the beautiful purple label. But yes, this is 100% two-ply cotton. We got a size 17, made in Italy, Ralph Lauren purple label. Now this is a button front shirt. They were asking $9.99. And every Sunday the color switches over. There's 4 different colors and a color will be half off. This so happened to be half off. I would have paid $10 for this. So I don't know why this was sitting in the store for 3 weeks. I was a little skeptical seeing a purple label there, half off, because I'm thinking how many resellers passed that up? And I'm thinking maybe there's damage or I need to really inspect it. It was flawless, great condition. There's gonna be no way to get this red little marker off of it. Maybe there is, I don't know. I know there's that little detergent stick, I forget what it's called, but this is probably permanent marker, unfortunately, and I'm just not too worried about it. I don't think it's gonna really devalue the item that much. But be on the lookout, guys and gals, for the Ralph Lauren purple label. This is the high-end, top-notch, top-tier, make your big profits label right there. Yeah, I think that's what we're talking about, Clear and Clutter, the Tide. So, yeah, be on the lookout for this, guys. Button fronts, polo shirts, t-shirts. If you could find a suit Ralph Lauren purple label, you're in it for big bucks. Be on the lookout for anything purple label. So just want to share with you guys that quick tip video. Smash that like button down below. You know, this just goes to prove, guys, there's a freaking amazing opportunity out there to add clothing to your reselling arsenal. This must have been sitting for 3 to 4 weeks at my thrift store. Why? I don't know. I don't know why resellers are passing this up. Maybe because people don't think clothing's worth money, or maybe people don't want to put in the effort. Get clothing into your reselling game. Start learning about it. You don't have to go full time. You don't have to pick up 50 items a week, but you could pick up 5, 10, 15 items a week in the clothing niche from garage sales, thrift stores, flea markets, just by taking some time to understand how the eBay clothing game works. So that's a fine example right here. Probably sell this for anywhere between $30 to $60. Have to do a little more research, but I know I sold one recently for like $35. And I probably could have gotten more. So yeah, appreciate the love. Got to go inside in a couple of minutes to, I'm actually at it's an acupuncturist. It's a kind of like an alternative health care, more of like a holistic option, chiropractic work. I've been having some issues with my wrist, so starting in about 8 or 9 minutes. So if you guys want to ask any questions, I have about 5 more minutes to answer any of your questions. You guys have any questions about eBay, Amazon, reselling, entrepreneurship, education, learning, feel free to ask. You know, ask away, and I'm gonna just hang out with you guys for a couple of minutes. If you haven't already, smash that like button down below and show some love and support for the videos. What's up, ZHD? Good to see ya. Did you damage your wrist lifting weights? I actually broke my wrist years ago, and plaque will actually build up around your muscle, and it'll cause a lot of strain and pain, and I think that's what's going on. So I think I aggravated it from lifting weights, and now I'm trying to just fix it, right? So over here, been coming about once, twice a week, trying to improve it, and it has been working. What apps do you use to scan for books? I actually use the Amazon Seller app right now. I also use FBA Scan as well. And I like FBA Scan because it has the database, the downloadable database, which allows you to scan when you don't have any internet. And it's got a few other really cool features as well, like triggers and whatnot. But the Amazon Seller app, the free one, is fine. Most beginner/intermediate resellers will do fine with that, unless you're really trying to scale up and you're at a library sale or you're trying to go through like 1,000 books. The Amazon Seller app's probably the best. What's up, Aiden? Or Hayden, I'm sorry, Hayden the Hustler. What up, what up? Marcy, thank you. What's the most you ever sold of clothing in 1 month? You know, I've never put up any like crazy numbers. I think the most I've ever done is like 8,000. So, but I'll tell you right now, there's other clothing sellers who are doing 10, 15. I know Ronnie, I think he's had some $15,000 months as well, going full time. But, you know, I'm not full-time clothing right now. I sell all different types of products. So it's been a while since I've been only clothing. Yeah, Ralph Lauren is awesome. It's definitely one of my favorite brands. And, you know, I'll give you another tip when it comes to Ralph Lauren. Anything that's weird or unique or has an interesting patch or a bear or an interesting material, the rare stuff can go extremely high in terms of resale value. So my Amazon FBA inventory is a whole mix of, you know, various items, from books to electronics, toys. Is it possible to hit 1K sales selling books? Absolutely. The thing with books is, you know, you've got to go through and you got to scan a lot of them. Sometimes it takes 20, 30, 40 books to scan to find a profitable one. Or if you really know your thrift store and you understand, you know, what books have been sitting there for a while and which ones are new, or what colors are old and what colors are new, you could scan through the fresh inventory and you're going to have a lot better numbers that way. Whereas if you're just scanning blind, it might take 30 or 40. Whereas if you know and you're kind of just picking and choosing, it could be, you know, every 5, every 8, every 10. It just really depends. But it's a numbers game, guys. You know, you want to make 1,000 in sales, 2,000 in sales, 3,000 in sales. There's a couple different factors. Number one is going to be building your inventory, and number two is going to be the quality of your inventory. So you've got to keep that in mind. Oh, go with a laser printer. Just like you said, I have the Brother, I think it's the 2230. I've had the 2270. Awesome laser printers right there, guys. If you're not printing your labels from home and you're going to the post office, stop doing that immediately. Because first of all, when you print from home, you've got that 16 ounces or less, or 15.9 ounces or less cut off for first class, where if you're dropping it off at the post office and having them print your eBay labels, or put on your eBay labels, you're at that 13 ounce cutoff. A lot of people don't realize that. So that's really big. Plus you'll get discounts and cheaper fees and whatnot. I sell on eBay, I sell on Amazon, I sell on Craigslist, I sell in my own Shopify store. So pretty much all over the place. Anyways, guys, I gotta roll. It's that time. I just looked down at the clock. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. If you guys are gonna rock and roll today and you're gonna make it happen, congratulations to you. Just keep taking action, guys. You know, I know it's tough sometimes to keep going, and you know, it's a lot of work. And I put a post on my Instagram earlier. If you're not following me on Instagram, go over to Raiken Profit. I've been tracking my health journey, and if you want to see what I look like with my shirt off, go over there. Oh man, it's so funny. It's because I've been really tracking my health journey over there, so check me out. But I put a post earlier today on Instagram saying, listen, you know, you can cry to give up, you could complain to give up, you could whine, you can bitch, you can moan, you can get upset to give up, or you could cry, complain, bitch, whine, whatever, to keep going, to keep pushing forward. And I'm taking option number 2. You know, it's tough sometimes, but you just got to keep moving forward, keep taking action, stay focused on your vision, and you will get to where you want to go. So with that being said, guys, smash that like button. Peace out. See you soon.